Show you in this video how to send message on whatnot. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open whatnot like this, and you should go right now to activity section. Go to messages right now and click on this yellow button, compose, and add the username. I don't know, just maybe randomly, and you will find someone. And right now you have to write, when you found the person, you have to write your message from here. And that's all, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another tutorial.